Hello, this is Kim Callison. Today, we are going to be discussing MLA format. Now, please curb your enthusiasm on this. It's an exciting topic. What is MLA, you might ask? Well, long ago, in a land far, far away like Cleveland or somewhere like that, members of the Modern Language Association decided that academic writing was all over the map and needed to be standardized. So they created a format for people to use in writing. Voila, MLA format was born. The basics of MLA format are that you need to have a paper that's properly formatted with certain things included. For example, it must be in 12-point type in Times New Roman font on an 8.5 by 11 page. You need to have 1-inch margins all around your paper. The text should always be double-spaced, and it should be double-spaced after any punctuation that you have. Paragraphs should begin 1/2 inch from the left margin, and page numbers should be in the upper right-hand corner of every page unless your teacher suggests something different. The first page of an MLA formatted paper is always the same. Standardized equals the same. Your name and the page number are a running head in the upper right-hand corner. They may be done a little bit differently depending on professor or teacher preference, but the best practice is to always ask first and not ask why later. Your name, the teacher's name, and your course name and due date are on the left side. This is double-spaced just like the rest of your paper. The title should be centered beneath a heading, and it should be the same font size as the rest of your paper. Another basics of MLA formatting is probably one of the most important pieces, which is parenthetical citations or using a works cited page. This gives credit where credit is due for different parts of your paper that are not your own original thoughts. They also protect you against plagiarism. Plagiarism is the act of taking someone else's work and calling it your own. Proper citation saves you from disciplinary action that could be anything from a 0 on a paper to expulsion from school. Yes, it is true, schools do take plagiarism that seriously. Parenthetical citation should be used within your paper. It should include the name and the author of the work, as well as the page number where the information can be found. Parenthetical citations. For a direct quote, George Orwell's Animal Farm is popular among many readers precisely because it's relatively easy to figure out what it all means. Foster, page 105. For paraphrased information, Animal Farm is considered popular with readers because the theme of the story is easily identified. Foster's, page 105. Anytime words or ideas are used that are not yours, they must be cited. This protects you as a student. The last page of your paper, it includes every work that you have cited. Most commonly cited works include a book with one author, a book with more than one author, an encyclopedia, a work from an anthology, a newspaper article, or a magazine article. Again, these have exact formatting specifications which must be followed. What follows is a sample works cited page. It gives examples of what a number of citations should look like on the final page. The sample comes from Purdue University's online writing lab, known as the OWL. This website has everything that you ever wanted to know and probably some things you didn't want to know about MLA formatting. Finally, MLA formatting is work. It can be tedious. However, the end result is that a paper is authentically yours, that it can be verified because you've cited any ideas or any words that you've used that aren't your own. That, my friends, is worth the effort. So ride on, young scholars. Until next time.